Like what I said in my previous video, imagine nyo yung katawan nyo yung sasakyan, tapos ang sugar yung gas. Para umandar ang sasakyan, kailangan ng susi, di ba? Insulin ang susi para umandar yung engine sa cells ng katawan. Para pumasok yung sugar sa loob ng cells for energy para gumalaw ito. When you are low on sugar, your body can switch to burning fat for gas. Yan ang nangyayari pag mababa yung insulin mo sa katawan. So, do you need insulin to convert fat to energy? No. It doesn't directly convert fat into energy, but it can indirectly affect fat burning. Kaya nga nauso yung keto diet. Sa keto diet naman, you cut down carbs, which are sugars. This will keep your insulin low. If your insulin is low, your brain will tell your body to use fat as a gas, like switching your car to run on fat instead of gas. So, while insulin doesn't directly burn fat, the keto diet will keep your body burning fat instead of sugar to lose fat. Hence, kaya nga pumapayat yung mga naka-keto diet.